This lesson is on solving multi-step equations. This is part 1 of 2. So to solve a multi-step equation, we're going to use the mnemonic device, Don't Call Me After Midnight. This will help us remember the 5 steps to solving a multi-step equation. So let's start off by writing the mnemonic. Don't call me after midnight. So each of these letters will help us to remember the steps in the process for solving a multi-step equation. The D stands for distribute. The C stands for combine like terms. The M in me stands for move terms. The A in after is add, subtract. And the M in midnight, multiply, divide. Okay, so we're going to focus on the don't, which is distribute. So to distribute, you multiply the outside term with all the terms in the parentheses. Multiply outside term with all terms in parentheses. Oops. Okay, here's our example. So here's our outside term, 5, and I need to multiply it with all of the terms in the parentheses. So 5 times 6x is 30x, and 5 times -4 is -20. Let's practice these 4 together. Okay, you need to distribute here and here. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times -6 is -42. Number 2. -2 times k is -2k. And -2 times -8 is +16. Number 3. 1/2 times m is 1/2 m. And 1/2 of 4 is 2. Four times 3n is 12n, and 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, so the next step is combine like terms. So in our mnemonic, it's don't call is what reminds us that we need to combine like terms next. So to combine like terms, you need to identify and add or subtract like terms on each side of the equation. Identify and add or subtract like terms on each side of the equation. Each side. You do one side and then the other. Okay, so here's my equal sign. So this means that this is one side of the equation and this is the other side. So I'm going to draw a line. So I remember just to focus on this side when I'm combining like terms. Let's start with the variables. So I have 2x and negative 4x. So when I put those together, I get negative 2x. Here are constants, 5 and 3, and when I put them together, I get plus 8. Okay, now let's look at the other side of the equation. X comes first in the alphabet, so I'm going to start with x. There are no other like terms. Now move to y. These are like terms. This negative implies it's a negative 1. So when I combine those, I get plus 2y. And then I have a constant. Let's do these other 4 together. So on this side, negative 5w plus 9w. Combine those and I get 4w. And then I have a constant of plus 10. Over here I have a negative w. And then these are like terms. When I combine them, I get plus 3. Number 2. Negative 3a. It's the only one with a variable, so there's no like term. These are like terms. They're both constants. When I combine them, I get negative 16. Okay, over here, these are like terms. When I combine them, I get 2a. Number 3. These are like terms. Combined, give me 5k. And then the constant minus 6. Here I have k. And the like terms are 7 minus 1, which gives me 6. Number 4, starting with x, 2x plus 5x is 7x, plus 4y. I have negative 3y and negative 2y. Those are like terms and combined give me negative 5y. Plus 1 is the constant. So now that we have gone over the first 2 steps, distribute and combine like terms, I want you to do page 8. Page 8 in your packet is Did You Hear About? It is a Pizzazz worksheet and it focuses on distributing and combining like terms.